Good morning, dear student. Become semester 1 English medium. Dear student, in our previous lectures, we count example number 6, and today I will choose the example number 32. Dear students, I read the information related to our example. Zay Limited was incorporated on 1st June 2010 to take over the business of Shah Brothers. The purchase considers agree is for like 80,000, interest payable per annum is 6 percentage. The company issued 30,000 equity share of rupees 10 at 11 and 7% debenture for 2 lakhs on 30th June 2010. Friends, the following items of income and expenses appeared in the accounts for year end 31st December 2010. Sales 2 lakh 70,000, cost of sales 1 lakh 62,000, salaries include salary to Mira 30,000, depreciation 1,500, sales commission 5% on sales, director meeting fees 1,200, provision for income tax 8,000, rent 6,000, preliminary expenses 1,800, dividend into bracket proposed 4,500, interest paid on purchase consideration 14,400. Now other information. Number 1, sales for each month from July to December 2010 was twice the monthly average sales of January to June 2010. Mira is working partner in the firm and was entitled to remuneration of rupees 1,500 per month. From 1st June 2010, she was managing director of company entitled to salary of rupees 2,500 per month. The remaining salary is of two clerks employed during period 1st April to 31st August. The rent is charged per month up to 1st July 2010 at rupees 300 and at 700 per month thereafter. The rent is charged per month up to 1st July 2010 at 300 and at rupees 700 per month thereafter. Prepare the statement showing profit and loss for pre-incorporation and post-incorporation period. So dear student, I choose this example because there is a lots of adjustment and lots of different type of calculations. Suppose this type of example ask in your university exam or in internal exam, how to calculate the example and how to start your calculation to this example. So friends, first there is in this example there is no given the gross profit. Okay, then after salaries. So salaries, there is a in total salary 30,000, but in the salaries there is a different types of different kind of adjustment, like to clerk salary, then after Mira first working as a manager, and then after become the directors, then after director meeting fees, and also our rent. If before 1st July we paid per month 300 rent, but after the 1st July we paid 700 per month. So, means कि friends, there is a lots of adjustment. So now I start our calculation. Friends, you see carefully. So first friends, required calculations. So first we find out friends our time ratio. Okay, so time ratio. So friends, we divide the time into two period: pre-incorporation time and post-incorporation time. uh, Friends, for your kind informations, I also note down in Gujarati, so you can easily understand what say the properly word in English and what the meaning of this word. Okay friends, so time ratio, the pre-incorporation time and post-incorporation time. So friends, you can see here, incorporate 1st June 2010 and accounting year is December. So friends, incorporate, so post-incorporation time, that call. So that call, we note down 1st June 2010 to 31st December 2010. Okay, so before that date, 1st June, before the day is 31st May 2005, and suppose कि our accounting year is end 31st December, then start 1st January 2010. Okay friends, so we can easily find out our pre-incorporation time and post-incorporation time. So 1st January to 31st May call pre-incorporation time, and 1st June to 31st December that call post-incorporation time. Now we find out the months. So 1st January to 31st May 5 months, and 1st June to 31st December 7 months. So the ratio is 5:7. Then after friends, there is a given one adjustment related to our sales. Sales for each month from July to December 2010 was twice the monthly average sales of January to June. Means okay friends, our July to December sales is twice to average sales of January to June. So friends, that amount of okay, so friends, suppose that called sales ratio friends. So sales ratio so friends, suppose the full year sales are rupees 12, therefore every month sales are 1, means our average sales is equal to 1 per month. Okay friends, so this is our average sales. Now we note down in our table the pre-incorporation sales and post-incorporation sales. So friends, you can see January to May, so this is our pre-incorporation sales. So January, February, March, April, May, the 5 months is a pre-incorporation, and June to December is a post-incorporation. Now first we note down our average sales 1 okay. Then after we give the effect to our adjustment. Friends, July to December twice the monthly average sales of January to June, means कि जो जुलाई से दिसंबर का जो सेल्स है वो हमारे जनवरी से जून से डबल है. ओके, तो हम इसको इम्प्लीमेंटेशन कर देते हैं अब यहाँ पे. तो फ्रेंड्स, जुलाई से लेकर दिसंबर तक वो ट्वाइस है. तो फ्रेंड्स, जुलाई टू दिसंबर वी नोट डाउन द सेल्स इज डबल, तो 2 एंड जनवरी टू जून सेल्स इज एवरेज पर मंथ 1, तो 1. ओके फ्रेंड्स, तो नाउ वी मेक द टोटल. तो 1 2 3 4 and 5, तो 5. देन आफ्टर 2 4 6 8 10 12 plus 1 यानी कि 13. द सेल्स रेशियो इज 5:13. Okay friends, now we start our another calculation. So we going to our particulars. So sales in this example 2,70,000 and cost of sales is 1,60,000, and we want to start our calculations. So friends, we must be find out the gross profit. So we find out our gross profit. The gross profit is equal to total sales minus cost of sold goods. So 2,70,000 minus 1,62,000, the answer is 1,08,000. So now friends, we find out our gross profit 1,08,000 and we divide into our sales ratio 5:13. So friends, we prepare the statement showing approximation of profit between pre and post incorporation. So friends, gross profit, we allocation its sales ratio. So friends, 1,08,000 and 5:13 the ratio, so 30,000 and 78,000. Then after salary, okay, second point is salary. So salary, but including salary to Mira 30,000, and there is also Mira is working partner in the firm and was entitled to remission of 1,500 per month from 1st June. She become director and we give we paid per month 2500. Okay friends, so first we find out Mira's salary. So pre incorporation time salary, so there are pre incorporation time 5 months, okay, and then after 7 months. So friends, first 5 months pre incorporation time salary, so per month 1500 for 5 months, so total is 7500. And then after post incorporation time salary per month 2500 for 7 months, so total 70500. So total salary 7500 plus 17500, यानी कि 25,000. Okay, 25,000. Now total salary expense is 30,000. Okay, minus Mira's salary 25,000. So remaining salary is 5,000 to clerk's salary from April to August. So friends, we find out the ratio, because here is April to August. So friends, you can see here April to August. Okay, so there are 2 times, pre and post. So 2 months, April, May include in pre, June, July, August include in post. So 2:3 friends, ratio is 2:3. Okay, so now we distribute 5,000 into 2:3 ratio. So clerk salary friends, 5,000 multiplied 2 upon 5, यानी कि 2,000 in pre time and post time. 5,000 multiplied 3 upon 5, यानी कि 3,000 rupees. तो friends, we distribute salary. तो salary to time 7,500 and 70,500, and clerk salary 2,000 and 3,000. You also note down both the total, कि 7,500 plus 2,000 यानी कि 9,500, and 70,500 plus 3,000 यानी कि 20,500. Which is you like, you note down here. Then after depreciation, so directly we divide allocation in time. So there is a total depreciation in our example 1,500, and we divide we allocate into time ratio. So friends, the answer is 625 and 8,875. Then after commission on sales, so friends, there is a 5%. We take commission on our sales, there is a 5%. So we find out. So friends, commission on sales at 5%, so 27,000 multiply 5 upon 100, यानी कि 30,500. And sales, so we distribute 30,500 into sales ratio 5:13. So friends, commission on sales, so 3,750 and 9,750. Then after director meeting expense, fees, etc., which is you call directly when any expense related to directors, so directly you allocate at post incorporation time. Then post 1,200. Income tax provision also, because after the year and ending the year, then you calculate your total yearly income. Then after you will pay your tax. So this is also post, to 8,000 directly. Rent, so friends, here we find out rent. So rent calculation. So friends, first we see the information. The rent is charged per month up to 1st July 2010 at 300, and then after 700 per month. So friends, what is meaning of this sentence? So friends, 1st July 2010 up to 300 per month means 30th June 2010 per month we paid 300 per month, and 1st July to 31st December we paid 700 per month. So friends, first January to 36 June 6 months, and July to December 6 months. Okay friends, but our pre-incorporation time is 5 months. So, and June to December is our post. So we make another calculation. You can see here. तो फर्स्ट प्री इनकॉर्पोरेशन टाइम 5 months, तो 300 मल्टीप्लाई 5 यानी कि 1500. देन आफ्टर पोस्ट इनकॉर्पोरेशन, तो जून इज इंक्लूड इन पोस्ट, तो 300 मल्टीप्लाई 1 इज इक्वल टू 300 एंड 700 मल्टीप्लाई 6 यानी कि 4200. दैट इज 300 प्लस 4200 यानी कि टोटल 4500 is our rent. So now we distribute here rent into time ratio 1500 and 4500. Preliminary expense directly post 1800. Proposed dividend, there is no any particulars, not any amount, any figure you note down, because proposed means you propose, you give suggestion, not a declare and not a paid. So dash dash dash. Then after interest on purchase price, so friends, interest on purchase price, so friends you can see here this June, okay, we take over the business 1st June and all complete all the this June 2010. So purchase interest 14,400. So we find out this. So pre-incorporation sales 5 months and first month is June यानी कि post. तो friends we find out ratio for your interest on purchase time, तो pre-incorporation time and post-incorporation time. तो friends pre-incorporation time 5 months and post-incorporation time 1st June to 30th June यानी कि 1 month यानी कि 5/1. Our ratio is 5/1. So 40,400 we allocate at 5/1, 12,000 and 2,400. Now all the particulars is complete. Now we make the total on income side. So pre-incorporation income total is 30,000 and post is 78,000. Now we make the total of both the expense pre and post. So on pre-incorporation time the total expense is 27,375 and in post 49,025 rupees. The different 2,625 and 28,975, that called net profit, and the total is equal of both sides. Friends, I humbly request to please you note down this example in your notebooks very carefully and calculate this example at home to self practice once and twice time. Thank you. Jai Hind.